This week, we're coming to you from Rochestown. Our goal was to get the heart of this home working really well. Knocking this conservatory is our #1 priority. Once we've got this out of the way, this opens up our opportunity to build on a big extension to the back of this home. And its inside is where we get to see the real difference. Opening the front door to a home like this has big expectations, and this kitchen delivers perfectly. Its choice of materials, its colours have all been architecturally designed, but most importantly, this is now the heart of the home. The connection with the rest of the rooms and the connection with the whole family. In our dining, we've designed with 3-meter high ceilings, giving us a big sense of space, but more importantly, this big glazed unit connecting us to the garden. On the outside, we've designed a canopy. In here, we've got beautiful warm cedar with some gorgeous lighting, and this really does give you protection from the sun. Back to the material choices in this kitchen. On the island and on the kitchen, we've got this gorgeous granite, but we've also let the granite run right up behind, giving it a gorgeous finish, and this LED strip really sets it apart. We've also introduced grey into the kitchen design, and with this really sharp white granite, it works really well. But there's one detail that gives it the key finish. This wood grain overhead and right in the corner of the island really softens it and ties everything together. All this space is hidden away behind the kitchen. Here we've got a big utility room. At the opposite end we've got a boot room, somewhere for all the kids and families to hang up their jackets. Overhead we've got the Fox Dry. Different than the Sheila made, this is fully remote control. It's got a heating unit, it's got a light, but most importantly, it comes right down to meet you. In addition to this, behind this pocket door, we've got our main downstairs bathroom. This bathroom, very similar to our dining, we've used these big 3-meter ceilings, and the tile and the effect, it just seems to go on and on. This new building fits perfectly into this large garden. To our homeowners, a big thank you. To Sigma Homes and all the team, well done. It's another project finished 1 week ahead of schedule.